Check out the little dragonfly. They're awesome insects. They fly super fast. They can hover. And they eat other annoying insects. So, gonna do a tutorial on this one pretty soon. Maybe today. I hope you like it. And incidentally, the cell phone stand is awesome as a business card holder. Now that is an awesome item for your desk holding your business cards. I've realized that. I didn't mention it after the video. Sorry about that. I've also got this little sprint boat. I haven't determined the folding methods yet, but it's in the works. Pretty cool. All right, so we'll see you on the dragonfly tutorial real soon. Thanks for watching.